Hello everyone, my name is Mei Chaningtia Sutno Pratiwi. Today, I will be discussing of the concept of contrary meanings using conditional sentence. This dialogue not only highlights their emotional connection, but also demonstrates how conditional sentence can express hypothetical situation and regrets about the past. Let's delve into the details of their conversation and explore the nuance of this conditional structure.
If I had known you were feeling down, I would have called you sooner. Why didn't you tell me?
I did want to bother you. If I had told you, you would have dropped everything to help me. And I know how busy you are.
If you weren't so stubborn, you'd realize that I'm never too busy for you. We've been friends for years.
I know, but if we're so independent, I would feel guilty asking for help. It's just how I am.
If I had known this was how you felt, I would have checked on you more often. I feel like a bad friend now.
Don't say that. If we are a bad friend, I will be here talking to you right now. You are the only one who truly understand me.
If I could change one thing about you, it wouldn't be here talking to you right now. You're the lean on people sometimes.
If I were not so used to handling everything alone, maybe I would. But all habits are hard to break.
If you ever feel like this again, promise you'll call me. I'd hate to think you're struggling a lot.
If I promise, will you stop looking so worried? I'm fine now, really. And if I were not, it would tell you.
If you say so, but just now, if you need me, I'm always here. No conditions, no guilt.
Thanks, Lina. If I had more friends like you, life would be a lot easier. This conversation between Chika and Icha, conditional sentences are used to express situations that are contrary to reality. This sentence helps the speakers reflect on what could have happened in the past or what could happen now if things were different. Below is detailed explanation of how conditional sentences are used in the conversation. Number 1. Conditional sentence type 3. Structure: if plus past perfect, had plus verb 3, would or could or might, plus have plus verb 3. If I had told you, you would have dropped everything to help me. Meaning, Icha imagines what would have happened if she had told Chika about her feelings. If she had told her a conditional that was not fulfilled, Chika would have helped her, a result that did now happen. Contrary to reality, Icha did not tell Chika, so Chika did not drop everything to help. Number 2. Conditional sentence tip 2. Structure: if plus past simple, would or could or might, plus base verb usage, used to talk about unreal or hypothetical situation in the present or future. Example from the conversation.
If you weren't so stubborn, you'd realize that I'm never too busy for you.
Contrary to reality, Icha is stubborn, so she does not fully realize Chika availability. Number 3. Contrary meanings: situation opposite to reality. But type 3 and type 2 conditional sentences are used to express situations that are contrary to reality. Type 3: Focus on the past and what could have happened if things were different. Tip 2. Focus on the present or future and what could have if things were different now.
If I had known this was how you felt, I would have checked on you more often.
Condition. If Chica had known how Icha felt, unreal because she did now. Result. She would have checked on her more often, unreal because she did not. Contrary to reality, Chica did know, so she did not check on Maya often. Number 5. Conclusion. In this conversation, Chica and Icha use conditional sentence type 3 and type 2 to express regret, hypothetical situation, and contrary to reality scenario. This sentence help them reflect on what could have happened in the past, type 3, and what could happen now if things were different, type 2. The use of conditional sentence highlight their deep friendship and mutual understanding, while also showing their regrets and hopes for the future.